chigosoriri tukuria rero nigo timu ya Shabana yue kogosoriri engoyo yae gotichigosori chiaye ase egeti kia Gusii Stadium na egeti kianga yanyako gegokorwa ritukuria rero ne timu ya Nairobi United chigori sato ase eyemo ase koroking'anigo yachaka omwaka ne birengo gose bitambo korebe kegima na ha mashabiki ngorengi ng'a nsachinde na barasa bengo mwaka oyo iga tobwana tochaka mno chaka igo kono murikito Wycliffe Tyson Mayara nigaikira na ase egeti kia Gusii Stadium na gotwarigana ndio roboti urwa senchira yoboikirana
omupira ekero ogwakwa ase ekeminano kie chitimu ibere nabo ogotuma onyonsie etimu eyemo gose nabo okobata onyonsia ende yonsi nabo igo ase encherende nabo okonyonsia chionsi naende chirwe makari ase ekeminano kie rituko ria rero ase egeti kia Gusii Stadium egati ya Shabana FC amo ne eria ya Nairobi United. Shabana nigo yaikorwa chigori sato ase egori eyemo amo ne timu eyo ya Nairobi United. Shabana ase chingoyo chiabeire chigwakirwa ase egeti kiabo nigo yarorekanire gotorokia gekogosoria buya na konyora obobui gokwana amo na getembe omokochi omonene Peter Okidi nigo atagokigwa nokobugwa okwo na nigo aria chira buna ngochiare korora ase amamocho abanyora nabo igo bwango iga ngochiare gokora obwonjoreria bokeigo ase abagosoria ba Shabana.
It's a disappointing because unaangalia tuna lose na tuna create a lot of chances. Tuna hiyo kufunga tu, I don't know, siwezi jua. I think just need to do soul search, but cause ukiangalia away tunacheza vizuri sana hapa home kuna problem, but we'll just pick up, tuta rise up. Ukiangalia game ya leo tumelose, but tumelose through individual mistakes, collective mistakes. Hatuja lose ati wame create a lot of chances wakafunga bao, wame score out of nothing. Lose concentration. I think concentration ya vijana today imekuwa mbaya. We just need to work on their mental strength and then vitu zitakuwa sawa. I think we'll have more changes in the team. Tutakuwa na few changes like 2 to 3. Tunataka ku-maintain the team because wamesha gel. Tutaingiza tu only 2 to 3 players.
Ase okorokia obobui bwegosoria iyo omokocho monene Nicholas Muyot we timu ya Nairobi United nigo atebabuna ngochiare gotema aire egekombe kiengoyo ya Kenya gose achikoba egati ya baria barabe inse ya enamba isano.
Kwanza kabisa ndamshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu, tumeanza mwaka vizuri. Pili ndashukuru vijana kwa jinsi ambavyo wamejituma. Kucheza hapa Kisii hapa stadium si rahisi, lakini vijana wangu wameonyesha ukakamavu, wameonyesha confidence, resilience. Leo tumeweza kudefend vizuri sana na pia nafasi zetu zile tumepata kadhaa tumeweza kuzitumia. So ni kuzidi tu kuwahimiza. Katika leo ilikuwa lazima tuweze kudominate katikati. We are taking game at a time and we have many assignments this season, but most important is as the league is coming, we just know how to do the balancing, and I'm sure we'll do quite well. I think a top 5 finish should do, and yeah, as we are pushing into the last matches, we're not yet in the second leg. I hope that we can have an advantage with the 3 matches in hand that we have.
Brian Michira oyore omogosoria o Shabana gose omanyakaine buna M10 konyora ore ase omotimoko bwechingoma nere obeka egorie yo eyemo gwetera ase penalty na nigo ainekeria mashabiki buna ase ngoyo enkongu ekaribosio bwabo amo ne timu ya Gor Mahia ngochi bare konyora obobui.
Game leo haijakuwa poa kwa side yetu, lakini tumecheza poa. Ni unfortunate tuka lose, lakini imekuwa tu poa sana. Tuna hope for the next na tunainua kichwa tuenda kwa the next game yenye ni big game, so yeah, tuwezi weka kichwa chini juu tuko na game next yenye ni kubwa sana.
Magagaye timu ya Shabana gwikurwa chigori sato ase goria yemo ase bakira egeti kianga bono Shabana yeyo nigebwatika barua gekongu ase gochikumera ne timu ya Gor Mahia chitariki 11 litukoria Jumapili igaiganga nainde barorenga mbabwe gose mbari gochikobwa kuripota rigetembe nje Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.